Question 9. What are the different kernels in SVM? Answer. There are 4 types of kernels in SVM. 1. Linear kernel. 2. Polynomial kernel. 3. Radial basis kernel. 4. Sigmoid kernel. Question 10. What are the most known ensemble algorithms? Answer. The most popular trees are AdaBoost, Random Forest, and Extreme Gradient Boosting, XGBoost. AdaBoost is best used in a dataset with low noise, when computational complexity or timeliness of results is not a main concern and when there are not enough resources for broader hyperparameter tuning due to lack of time and knowledge of the user. Random forests should not be used when dealing with time series data or any other data where look-ahead bias should be avoided, and the order and continuity of the samples need to be ensured. This algorithm can handle noise relatively well, but more knowledge from the user is required to adequately tune the algorithm compared to AdaBoost. The main advantages of XGBoost is its lightning speed compared to other algorithms, such as AdaBoost, and its regularization parameter that successfully reduces variance. But even aside from the regularization parameter, this algorithm leverages a learning rate, shrinkage, and subsamples from the features like random forests, which increases its ability to generalize even further. However, XGBoost is more difficult to understand, visualize and to tune compared to AdaBoost and random forests. There is a multitude of hyperparameters that can be tuned to increase performance.
A special case of a decision tree is a decision list, which is a one-sided decision tree, so that every internal node has exactly one leaf node and exactly one internal node as a child, except for the bottommost node, whose only child is a single leaf node. While less expressive, decision lists are arguably easier to understand than general decision trees due to their added sparsity, permit non-greedy learning methods and monotonic constraints to be imposed.
Question 11. Explain decision tree algorithm in detail. Answer. A decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm mainly used for regression and classification. It breaks down a data set into smaller and smaller subsets while at the same time an associated decision tree is incrementally developed. The final result is a tree with decision nodes and leaf nodes. A decision tree can handle both categorical and numerical data. The term classification and regression tree (CART) analysis is an umbrella term used to refer to both of the above procedures. Some techniques, often called ensemble methods, construct more than one decision tree. Boosted trees incrementally building an ensemble by training each new instance to emphasize the training instances previously mismodeled. A typical example is AdaBoost. These can be used for regression type and classification type problems. Bootstrap aggregated, or bagged, decision trees. An early ensemble method builds multiple decision trees by repeatedly resampling training data with replacement, and voting the trees for a consensus prediction. A random forest classifier is a specific type of bootstrap aggregating. Rotation forest, in which every decision tree is trained by first applying principal component analysis, PCA, on a random subset of the input features.
A special case of a decision tree is a decision